Welcome to the Rockin' Crystals channel. Today we are going to be looking at 7 powerful crystals that everyone should consider adding to their collection. Crystals have been around for millions of years, formed naturally in the earth, and throughout history, people have been using them for both their beauty and their metaphysical and mystical energy properties as well. They are, of course, very popular in jewelry, and it is said that you'll benefit from the positive energy of the crystals that you wear. The same goes for crystals that you hold or carry with you or have in your home. You can use crystals to help you in meditation and as well as focusing your intentions and aspirations into, such as programming your intentions into a quartz crystal. Here are 7 very powerful crystals that you should consider adding to your collection if you do not have them already. Let me know in the comments if you have these. If you have all 7. If you have all 7 of these in your collection, comment, leave a comment, type in all 7, something like that. I have all 7. I'm curious, who has everyone in this collection? Number 1, Clear Quartz. This is one of the most powerful stones for clearing lower negative and disharmonious energies. Place Clear Quartz in every room of your home to help bring in positive energy, empower a space, and amplify the energy of other crystals around in that room as well. Citrine, number 2, citrine is a stone that can bring in more abundance, more joy, more well-being into your life. Keep one with you in your wallet to help attract more money. Just a subtle little hint to the citrine of what you're looking for. Number 3, rose quartz. This crystal is perfect for all things related to love, and love is just so important. Self-love, universal love, love of others, love, love, love. It can be used to attract love, self-love, and self-care, which is, of course, the foundation for all wellness, all well-being. If you love life and love self, then you will exist in a state which is resistant to stress and dis-ease. Number 4, tiger's eye. Hurrah! This crystal has a very grounding energy, great for meditation. Use it to calm anxiety. It will help to give you more courage and confidence, the courage and confidence of a tiger. Number 5, garnet. This stone is also good for all things related to love, well-being, grounding, centering, and balance. Number 6, carnelian. This stone will give you a boost of energy, and it helps to protect you from negative, disharmonious and negative frequencies, and as well as stimulate joy, happiness, and well-being. And last but not least, we have sunstone. This is a crystal that brings in positive and happy feelings. Carry one with you when you're feeling low energy or tired. It will give you a boost of energy and motivation when you feel like you really are drained or lacking of that particular thing, energy. Yeah, it gives you energy. Okay, hope you enjoyed today's video. Consider dropping a like on this video if you liked it. It really helps this channel to grow, and subscribe if you're interested in learning more about crystals, because we are going to be talking about different crystals every single day. And if you're looking to buy crystals and gemstones, check out our Rockin' Crystal shop, linked in the description below. It definitely helps to support this channel when you shop for crystals at our shop. And lastly, we are doing a crystal giveaway from our Rockin' Crystal shop every time we upload a new video. You are allowed to enter into our crystal giveaway contest. All you need to do is leave a comment and let us know what you love about crystals. Also, be subscribed to this channel, and we will choose for every single video that we upload a random winner from our commenters to receive a lovely prize from our Rockin' Crystal shop. You may enter into as many contests as you want. Every single video is a new contest, and I hope to see everybody in the next video.